Poony, I've got your favorite shirt in here.
Oh yeah? The stripey?
Mm-hmm.
I'll shoot you if you wear that, Poony.
I'm gonna wear it. Dude, I got a chicken dinner with a red shirt on.
That's true.
Oh my god.
I'm coming for that shirt. I don't care if I'm nowhere near you. Actually, I'm only 2 buildings away.
I love that people who play this game and know you're playing message you and say, "You playing?"
Where is it?
You playing, bro?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the shirt at?
I might be, and you know how annoying that is. Did you just loot the same?
I'm looking for the shirt. Where is it?
Downstairs, you dick.
I didn't take anything.
Here, I'm gonna bonk you with this frying pan.
Can't uh oh.
Here, let me boop you. What the shit?
Run!
I'm so out of there. I literally did bonk you on the head with the frying pan.
I fucking noticed.
I don't know if your head made that sound or if the frying pan did, but that was the best thing ever.
Where the fuck is this shirt? I think you're lying to me.
No, it was.
Oh
in
wait,
there.
okay, that was. What the fuck?
What's just happened?
Oh my god, I have no health now.
You know what you need? You need one more love boop with the frying pan. Up! Oh my god, my North 15! Sweet shit.
He went round towards you. I'm down.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god, are you kidding me? I got a fucking bolt in my arse. Coming round the building, coming round the building. Bishop, you better get him. Bishop, you better get him.
Is he in my building?
No, he's coming round to your building. He's on the corner of it. Bishop, could you please get me up so I could help?
Shh, quiet. Stop making
I missed
noise.
every fucking shot!
One in the building, one in the building.
I'm rezzing. I'm rezzing.
One upstairs, one upstairs.
There's one on the balcony. Bishop,
So
that's a kill for you. That's a fucking kill for you, dude.
I'm rezzing you. Shut the hell up. Alright,
Guys
going
upstairs. Upstairs, careful.
I'm coming.
I'm down. Shotgun.
Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy.
Exactly.
We lost
And
smoke.
in that smoke died. Shit!
Someone's just stairs. Oh, fucking hell, I just saved your ass. Oh, fuck, there's another one. Oh, what the?
Oh, are you kidding me? What am I shooting the floor?
Oh my
Fucking rubber ducky.
god. If only I wasn't fucking dead because Bishop's a fucking asshole.
Oh my god, this
So-
is so much more fun with you idiots.
Still shot. And then I'm crouched behind a wall looking at an enemy and I get a fucking crossbow bolt in my fucking arse.